Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I want to introduce myself. My name is Ilham Matire, and now I want to presentation with group 3. The we project name is Wheelchair Lifetime. Okay, this is our team. Okay, Project PBL Lifetime. In many university building, accessibility for people with disabilities is still limited, especially especially for students who use wheelchair. Most buildings only have stairs without ramp or lift, making it difficult for students with disabilities to move between floor independently. This condition not only hampers learning activity but also reduces their equal right in obtaining education. This issue requires the active role of engineers in creating technological solutions that can improve accessibility in educational enviro- environment. Sorry. One potential solution is a wheelchair lifter, a lifting device designed to help user go up and down stairs safely, efficiently, and easily. In this project, collaboration among various engineering discipli- disciplines disciplines is essential. Mechanical engineering to design a strong driving system and frame. Electronic and robotic engineering to manage the automatic control system using a microcontroller, such as Arduino. Electrical engineering to design the power system and safety sensor. Industrial engineering to consider cost difficulty, ergonomic design, and user comfort. First, system accurate review including project del deliverable outputs. Now, my friend, next for the presentation.
For the first problem and solution from electrical, the problem is when we wiring the cable to the component, there was a problem when installing the cable where the cable seemed to be tangled and we were confused about which cable to connect, whether the cable from the piezo or the cables from the motor. So the solution of the problem is to avoid tangled the wires, plan the route, use different colors and labels, tidy them up with zip ties, cut them to the right leg, and check the connection with a multimeter before turning on the circuit.
Ending wiring diagram lifter. Below are some important component that we use, one of which is the Arduino Mega, which is the main component for running the motor. Sounding the piezo, the electrical diagram circuit function to connect the circuit from the Arduino to certain component. The following is an example of a wiring diagram image that we will use in your PBL project.
I will presentation about the program. Problem. When running the program, the challenge we faced was the absence of wake sensor in Tinkercad, which made it difficult for us to adjust the circuit in Tinkercad and the original circuit. And the code we created didn't match the circuit we had assembled, resulting in errors. The solution was to replace the wake sensor, which was missing from Tinkercad with substitute components such as piezo, push button, gear motors, and motor driver to simulate load change. Furthermore, the team needed to adjust the program code to match the component used in the simulation and the actual circuit. Testing and debugging were carried out incrementally to ensure the code and circuit function correctly without errors. Okay, the flowchart below is picture on the flowchart, and we assign flowchart below in pictures of picture. Tuhan Yesus. Flowchart below is picture of the flowchart, and we are assigned the flowchart with still 20 flowchart below in picture of flowchart, and we are assigned this flowchart with still 20% in process, but we have understood our coding and the following flowchart. The flowchart explaining the following process and starting read the weight sensor, check if the weight iteration 20. If yes, the lifter moves up, the buzzer goes off. If no, the lifter stop, the buzzer goes off on, and the lifter is finished. Code and feedback. The circuit saw a simple robot control system using an Arduino Uno and one and 20 and 2023 motor driver. The DC motor, push button and buzzer and Arduino control motor movement through the 2093 powered by 9-volt battery, while the buzzer as an indicator. The setup demonstrates how microcontrollers control motion and signal in basic robotics project. Okay.
Problem and solution in mechanical or design. Problem. When working on the 3D design, the challenge we face were thinking about the mechanical system for how the wheelchair lift we create would work and thinking about a 3D design that would fit with the plan we had already made. Solution. The 3D wheelchair lift design involved selecting rails or actuators and analyzing load, dimension, and safety using on shape and the team model. Simulate and refine it for a cell-efficient multi-story campus lift. The design concept here are the design we create for each part. The first gear rack, gear rack, anything. This is the final design. Component. We use microcontroller, battery, servo motor, yellow DC gearbox motor, and wheel, and battery holder. Battery holder. This function microcontroller control the movement actuators motor. The microcontrollers control the DC motor or linear actuator to rise and lower smoothly based on commands from a switch or sensor the microcontroller. The function battery as a primary or backup power source. The battery provides DC electrical energy, usually 12 volt or 24 volt, to power the entire system. The function servo motor move the up and down mechanism, set the precise position, acts as a lock or automatic locking control, controlled by a microcontroller. The function yellow DC gearbox motor plus wheel as a mechanical drive or main power supply, steers and controls up and down speed controlled by a microcontroller or by a battery. The function battery holder serve battery holder connect batteries to electrical circuits maintains secure polarity support the number of batteries according to voltage support the voltage requirement desire to replace and maintain. Uh, in the price, microcontroller 6500, the battery 3000, servo motor 2000 two eh ah the price microcontroller 65,000, battery 30,000, servo motor 20,000, yellow DC gearbox motor plus wheel 20,000, and battery holder 4,000. Sige, sir.
Okay, this is project timeline. Meet semester exam for the phase 1 discussion. Next for phase 2, determine the project. Phase 3, looking for an image. Phase 4, start running the design. Phase 5, create flowchart and coding. Phase 6, order the gods. Phase 7, start assembly. Phase 8, and for the last, ready for revision. For this presentation, we need revision for Women Pro. Thank you for listening to the presentation. That's all for we. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.